Good morning students. Welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss some problems from material, that is from question number 21. Let's start. What is question number 21? If 3 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to 4, then 4 cos x minus 3 sin x minus 3 sin x is equal to dash. As you know, we know solution. We know a cos x plus b sin x is equal to c. Then b cos x minus a sin x is equal to plus or minus root over a square plus b square minus c square. Applying this formula, here given 3 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to 4. By formula 4 cos x minus 3 sin x is equal to plus or minus a square, means 4 square plus minus 3 whole square, a square plus b square minus c square means 4 square. So what is the answer? Plus, this is 4 square minus 4 square cancel, and this is root over plus or minus root over 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3 is your answer. Now another question number 22. Question number 22. Question number 22. Find the values of cos square 10 degree plus cos square 20 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cos square 40 degree plus cos square 50 degree plus cos square 60 degree plus cos square 70 degree plus cos square 80 degree is equal to dash. This is your question. And cos square 10, cos square 80. This is equal to what? Right, cos square 10 plus cos square 80. Total should be 90. 10 plus 80, 90. Here also cos square 20 plus cos square 70. Another, and again cos square 30 plus cos square 60 here, and another here plus cos square 40 into plus cos square 50. Number are from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. Clear? And which is equal to what is cos square 80? You can write cos square 10. What is cos square 8? Cos square 80 means cos square 80 degree means sin square 10. This, and cos square 20 degree, this is degree. All are degrees. So cos square 20 degree. What is cos square 70 degree? 70 means 90 minus 20. So this is equal to sin square 20. Clear? This is cos square 20 degree and sin square 20 degree. Again cos square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. What is cos square 60? 60 means 90 minus 30. So sin square 30 degree, and this is equal to cos square 40 degree. And what is cos square 50? cos square 50 means sin square 50. Cos square 50 means sin square 40. Clear? 50 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree. So cos square 50 degree, we can write cos square 90 degree minus 40 degree. Cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. So sin square 40. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. And also this is 1. Again this is equal to what? 1. And again this is equal to what? 1. By the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to what? 4. 4 is your answer. Now another question. Question number 23. Question number 23. The value of cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 80 degree plus cos 100 degree plus cos 120 degree plus cos 140 degree plus cos 160 degree plus cos 180 degree. The value of this. So answer is cos 20 degree plus 40 degree cos 60 degree and cos 80 degree, right? And this is equal to cos 100 means cos 180 minus 80 degree. This over this over this over this over this over, and cos 120 means cos 180 minus what? 60 degree, this over, and again cos 140 degree means 180 degree minus 40 degree, right? Then cos 160 degree means plus cos 160 degree means 180 degree minus 20 degree, this over, and remaining is cos 180 degree plus cos 180 degree. Clear? That is equal to what? Cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 180 degree, this is 80 degree, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, that is minus cos 80 degree, and cos 180 minus theta, this is minus theta cos theta, so minus cos, here cos 180 degree minus 60 degree, minus cos 60 degree, here cos 180 minus 40 degree, minus cos 40 degree, and cos 180 minus 20 degree, minus cos 20 degree plus cos 180. What is the value of cos 180? Cos 180 value minus 1. Here cos 20 minus cos 20, cos 40 minus cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree minus cos 60 degree, cos 80 degree minus cos 80 degree. This is equal final answer. This is 1. Value is 1. Again question number 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. If sin x is equal to cos square x, then cos 8x plus 2 cos 6x plus cos 4x is equal to dash. Where is the question? Solution given sin x is equal to cos square x. Right? Sin x is equal to cos square x. Here now this is equal to cos 8x plus 2 cos 6x plus cos 4x. Again this can be written as, this is given data, and this can be written as cos 4x whole square, right, plus 2 into cos 4x into what? Cos square x, and this is plus cos square x whole square, right, and a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. A plus, this is a square plus a square 2 into a 2 into a into b plus b square, means a plus b whole square, cos 4x plus cos square x whole square. We know sin x is equal to what? Cos square x, and that implies sin square x is equal to what? Sin square x is equal to what? Cos 4x. So in place of cos 4x, write sin square x. This is equal to sin square x, and write this as its cos square x whole square. So sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 square is equal to what? 1. Then question number 25. Question number 25. Question number 25. Find the value. Find the value of sin square 1 degree plus sin square 2 degree plus sin square 3 degree, like the dots up to sin square 89 degree. This is question. Sin square 1 plus sin square 89 1, because 89 is equal to 90 degree minus 1. So we can write sin square 1 plus solution. Sin square 1 plus sin square 89. Similarly sin square 2 plus sin square what? 88. Similarly sin square 3 plus sin square what? 87. Like this sin square 4 plus sin square 4, sin square 4 plus sin square 86. Like this up to sin square 44, sin square 44 plus sin square what? Total should be 90. This is equal to 46. Sin square 46. The angle starts from 1 and ends with 89. So 1, 2, 3 up to what? 44. And this is remaining term is sin square plus remaining term is equal to sin square 45. Here. So what is the terms here? This is sin square 1 and this is sin square 89. Sin square 89 means cos square 1. This is equal to sin square 1 plus cos square 1. Sin square 2 plus cos square 2. Like this, cos square 2. Like this up to what? Up to sin square 44 plus cos square 44 degree, and remaining term is sin square 45 degree. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, like this. Which number of term? Number of term is up to 44. Up to 44 terms plus sin square 45. Clear? So 1 up to 44 terms. This is 44 plus sin square sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 square 1 by root 2 square, that is equal to 44 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 89 by 2. This is the answer. Then another question. Question number 26. Question number 26 we have already done. Tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, into tan 2 degree, into tan 3 degree, into tan 89 degree. Obviously the answer is 1. We have already done. The answer is 1. We have done. We have done. And question number 27. If you want, I will solve it. What is 10? This is answer is 1. Reason how. This is tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree tan 89 degree. Tan 1 into, this is tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree up to what? Up to tan 44 degree. Similarly 46, tan 46 means, and here tan 46 and tan 47 like this up to tan 89 into tan what? Tan 89. So tan 89 into cot 89, tan 89 into tan 1. Tan 1 degree into tan 89 is equal to 1. 1, right? Tan 1 degree, tan 89 degree. Okay. This is equal to what? This is equal to tan 2 degree into tan 88 degree, like this up to what term? Tan 44 into tan 46. So remaining term is tan into tan 45 into tan 45. Tan 89 means cot 1. This is cot 1 and this is cot 2 and this is cot 45. So tan 1 cot 1 into tan 45. This is equal to what? Value 1. So answer is 1. Clear? And question number 27. Question number 27. Question number 27. 27 cos 1 cos 2 cos 3 degree up to cos 179 is equal to this. The answer is cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, like this cos 90 cos 179. Clear? So cos 90 is equal to what? 0. This is equal to 0. So final answer is equal to 0. Right?